got this nigga in the call. I'm gonna be doing a girl voice trolling Beast Gamer back with another video. Let's get started. Hey, are you there?
Hello.
So I was wondering, what's your name?
My name is Brian. What's her name?
My name's Ashley.
That's a nice
if you
name.
don't mind me asking, like, how old are you?
I'm 16. How old are you?
Me, I'm 18.
Oh.
Hey, as long as you're legal. So, how's your day going?
Pretty good. How's yours?
It's alright. Just a little busy and stuff.
What are you doing?
I'm being bored. Not really doing anything at the minute. If you don't mind me asking, where do you live?
I live in Atlanta.
Atlanta? Like what part?
The South region of Atlanta.
The South region of Atlanta. That makes, like, okay. Alright. Shit. I don't really know what to talk about. I mean, to be honest, I'm gonna be honest, I'm kinda a little horny.
I'm glad you called then, because I'm kind of horny too. If you catch my drift.
I do. If I moan for you, will you, like, masturbate on the mic?
If you want me to.
I mean, I do.
I could.
And will you also, like, meow like a cat? If that's okay?
First you need to show me how you look like.
Alright, let me send you a picture real quick. Alright, it's sent.
Oh, wow. You look really nice. Alright.
Thank you. So, will you meow like a cat for me?
Yeah.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah. Like that.
Meow for me, baby.
Meow. 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 Meow.
God, you're so sexy.
Meow. Meow.
I'm a dude, nigga! I'm a dude! You just got trolled by the Beast Gamer.
What the
Fuck you, nigga. He hung up! Alright, I'm gonna put the IP of the description in the server. Thanks for watching, guys. This has been the Beast Gamer. I still can't believe me meowed and shit. It's over. I win. Beast Gamer out. Thanks, guys.